Welcome back to the Grand Motorhome. Today we are diving deep into an exciting full detailed review of the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome, a luxury futuristic motorhome that combines comfort, technology, and long-distance performance in one powerful mobile living experience. If you are someone who loves road trips, adventure travel, or luxury camping, this review will help you understand everything about this vehicle in detail. Starting with the exterior design, the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome looks like a perfect blend of modern SUV styling and high-end travel bus engineering. The front fascia is bold with a sleek LED light bar stretching across the front, giving it a very futuristic identity. The aerodynamic shape reduces wind resistance, which improves fuel efficiency and electric range. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, making the motorhome look premium while also allowing natural light inside. The body is built with lightweight reinforced aluminum and composite materials which make it strong yet efficient. At the rear, you get a smart storage compartment and optional fold-out awning space, perfect for outdoor sitting or camping setups. The overall road presence of this motorhome is massive and premium, clearly designed to stand out on highways and camping sites. Now moving into the interior, this is where the BYD T5 motorhome truly shines. As soon as you step inside, you are welcomed by a luxury apartment-like atmosphere. The cabin is designed with soft ambient lighting, premium leather seating, and wood-finish textures that give a very high-end feel. The front driving area is fully digital with a curved touchscreen dashboard that controls navigation, driving modes, climate control, and entertainment systems. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with massage functions and memory settings, making long journeys extremely comfortable. Behind the driver area, the living space opens up like a modern studio apartment. There is a convertible lounge sofa that can transform into a sleeping bed, a compact dining table, and smart storage compartments hidden inside the walls. The kitchen area includes an induction cooktop, mini refrigerator, sink, and microwave, allowing you to prepare meals on the go. The bathroom section is fully enclosed and includes a shower, toilet, and smart water management system, which is rare in most motorhomes of this category. Technology plays a major role inside this motorhome. It comes equipped with AI-based climate control, voice command systems, and smart lighting that adjusts automatically according to time of day. There is also a large entertainment screen with wireless connectivity for streaming, gaming, and navigation support. The motorhome also supports full smartphone integration, so you can control many features remotely through an app. Talking about performance, the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain system. It uses BYD's latest battery technology, which offers an impressive driving range suitable for long-distance travel without frequent charging stops. The motorhome delivers smooth acceleration despite its large size, thanks to dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration. The suspension system is specially tuned for comfort, absorbing road bumps easily even on rough terrain. Driving this motorhome feels stable and controlled, even at highway speeds, which is important for a vehicle of this size. One of the standout features is its regenerative braking system, which helps recharge the battery while driving downhill or slowing down. Charging technology is also fast, with support for ultra-fast charging stations that can significantly reduce downtime during trips. Noise insulation inside the cabin is excellent, making the interior very quiet even when driving on busy highways. Now coming to the price, the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome falls into the premium luxury segment. The expected price range starts from around a high-end luxury bracket depending on customization, interior upgrades, and battery configuration. While it is not an affordable vehicle, it is designed for customers who want ultimate comfort, mobility, and luxury combined in one package. When you compare it with high-end RVs and luxury motorhomes from other brands, The BYD T5 offers strong value due to its electric efficiency and advanced technology features. Overall, the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome is a complete lifestyle vehicle rather than just a mode of transport. It is designed for people who want freedom on the road without sacrificing comfort or luxury. From its futuristic exterior design to its fully equipped living space and advanced electric performance, it delivers a next-level travel experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Grand Motorhome for more amazing vehicle reviews, travel experiences, and in-depth automotive content. Don't forget to check out more videos on the channel for the latest updates and detailed reviews. See you in the next video.